Ayan, so Meta Earth daily check-in update tayo today. Yan yung date and time ng recording natin, August 18, Monday 2025. So, click natin yung claim rewards dito sa baba. Okay, so day number 18 pala tayo ngayon. So, click natin itong check-in today, yung nasa baba. Okay, so dito sa part na to, i-type lang natin yung nakasulat sa background na words. Ayan. So kapag ka nag-lit up na yung on-chain check-in, i-click lang natin yan. And then, confirmation details, i-click lang natin itong nasa baba, daily check-in. Enter natin yung nominated 6-digit PIN natin. So makikita nyo may prompt na congratulations, check-in successful. Ayan, back to home. So, ayan. So 0.2354 naging 0.2372 MEC. Okay. Pagka-click natin yung notification dito, makikita natin check-in successful. Okay. So, after natin ma-claim yung daily check-in reward, para magkaroon tayo ng additional bonus, okay, or another form of additional reward, pwede natin i-click itong link na icon sa baba. And then i-click natin itong Philippine ME Ambassador Node Reward. Okay. So, click natin yan. And then, i-redirect tayo nito sa decentralized application na Unicorn. Okay, so ito yung Unicorn decentralized application. So, ang gagawin natin dito, i-click natin itong register and then register with ME Pass. Wait mo lang mag-load. Solve natin tong puzzle for verification. I-connect natin yung Unicorn sa ating MEC wallet. Pagbalik natin dito sa Chrome browser ng ating mobile phone, makikita natin dito, kailangan lang natin i-select yung ating region for Philippine node and then enter. Ayan. So maglo-load na or makakalagin na tayo dito sa MEC decentralized app. On the top right, yung 3 lines, i-click natin yan and then rewards center. Okay, and then dito sa part na to, makikita ninyo dito sa taas your total rewards and then available for withdrawal. Ayan. And then kapag ka nag-scroll kayo dito, makikita ninyo daily, meron tayong option to claim additional rewards. Okay? So makikita ninyo yung date today, August 18, 2025. I-click natin itong claim. So, claimed successfully. Pag-click natin ng OK, makikita nyo sa taas, nadagdagan tayo ng 0.01 MEC. Naging from 0.010 MEC, naging 0.011 MEC. Ayan, so additional rewards yan. So, ang gagawin na natin ngayon dahil na-claim na natin yung rewards today dito naman sa Unicorn Decentralized App, click lang natin tong sign out. Ayan. Now, kung wala pa kayong MEC na application, kindly do your own research. Para rin tong PiCoin, pero for me, ang pinagkaiba nito, mas mabilis yung pacing niya kapag kasi ni-set up in terms of KYC. Okay? From the moment na i-install mo itong MEC app, dire-diretso pwede mo nang kumpletuhin yung verification process. Okay? So, para mas magkaroon ka ng idea kung paano mag-install ng Meta Earth Wallet and makumpleto yung KYC certification sa Meta Earth app, dito sa previous video natin, na-discuss na natin yung step-by-step procedure. Napakadali lang niya sundan. And then, i-flash ko na rin sa video natin yung invitation code for the MEC or yung ating Meta Earth Wallet, okay? Ilalagay ko na rin sa video description and comments ng ating YouTube video or kung nanonood ka sa TikTok, ilalagay na rin natin sa description and comments, pati sa ating Facebook videos or reels, okay? Disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Thank you.